I put my application in over here. I got approved. It's something that I love to do because it's challenging. You got to know what you're doing. You got to be able to challenge yourself to be able to do it the right way. So it's an experience. Passion for the road. Reminds me of the military, being gone from home. So, it's like a deployment for me. Just an extended deployment. I don't go home as much as what I would like to. So, I love the road. I love traveling. My priorities is making sure my family has a place to live, has everything that they need. So, home time is important. But you need to be more flexible when it comes to working, when it comes to driving, because that's your livelihood. That's your moneymaker. Sometimes you can make $6,000-$7,000 for 1,000 miles on a load. Just depends. Certain systems have to be in place when it comes to maintenance, when it comes to keeping your truck in proper working conditions, when you're talking to brokers, when you're talking to customers, shippers, receivers, anybody you have to talk to for your job, you need to have a certain way of talking to them. You have to be more open to change if need be. So it's going to be one of those, certain structures do work better, but also change is a good thing as well.